Hey, hi guys. Welcome to the Tosca 100 plus real-time scenarios. And my name is Rajesh, and I have 11 plus years of experience. Without wasting any time, let us start. So, what is our first question? Our first question is: there is a real-time scenario. Guys. What is the real-time scenario? You have a register button. For example, there is a register button. Any button it can be, irrespective of what application it is. So, we have a register button that's need to be clicked during your test execution. But before clicking it, you must verify the spell check. Means before clicking on the web element, we need to check whether the spelling is matching or not. For example, we have register, right? REGISTR register spelling is correct or not. That we need to check it. But there is a glitch here. There is a catch here. What is the challenge? Main challenge here is we need to validate the spelling without duplicating or copying the same step in your test step. Means you should not copy it. Okay. And the question is how you will automate this in Presentist Tosca and what is your approach? Verify and then click on it. Means you need to use the same thing twice. In order to do this one, the answer for this question is cardinality. Okay. In order to achieve the above scenario, we need to apply the cardinality at the module level. Okay. So what is this cardinality generally? If you have a step and if you want to use n number of times, then we will use the cardinality. So the answer for this question is cardinality. And let us see how to automate this one with Tosca Commander. Now, please go to your Tosca Commander and please maintain the proper folder structure how I have maintained. If you want to know how I have maintained, I have already recorded this video and I have placed in our YouTube channel in Ignitesofttech. So please go ahead and have a look. The real-time project structures. Okay. Now I have done the precondition like close all browser, clearing the cache and launch the browser. And the next one in the process, see, I have already scanned the module. Now, once you have scanned the module, here we have a register button. Now we need to use this one twice. Means before you're clicking on the register button, I have used X. The difference between click and X is click will try to directly your mouse will go ahead and click it. And if you use X, on the back end, it will try to click it from the back end. Now, I want to use this step. Before I'm doing anything, we all know that we need to do the checkout. Since I'm the only user, I'm doing the checkout. Now, for example, you have this X here. Now, what they are asking, before you are clicking on this register button, I want to verify it. In order to verify, what is the easiest thing is, we will right click and we will copy and we will paste it over here, which is very wrong. Okay, you should not do it. For example, if you want to see the enable, whether it is enable or not, again, you won't copy and you won't paste it here like this, right? So now, in order to mitigate this issue, let me delete everything. Let me jump to the module, which I have already scanned. Let me do the checkout here. Okay, what is checkout, check-in all, I have clearly explained. So please have a look of the YouTube videos. Now we have this register button, right? So this register button we need to use twice. In order to do that one, go to your respective properties tab, and here there is an option called cardinality. You need to change from 0 to 1 to 0 to n, means n number of times, as simple as it is. Now what you need to do, you need to go for your module. See, automatically without adding this one, it will automatically add it. Means if you have used that once, then it will be automatically adds by itself. Now what I will do, I will use inner text equal to a register. Okay, and make sure that we have used action mode as a verify. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to click or X, whatever it is. See, once I have used it, it is getting one more. For example, if I use that again it will give one more. So this is the use of cardinality. Okay, this is how the cardinality will work. Now we have automated all the test cases. How we have automated, we have already done the recording. You can have a look. Now let us run the problem statement, what they have given and what is the solution. Let me right click and run it. What it will do, since I have already handled this thing, like close all browser, clearing the cache. See, it is closing all the browsers and it is clearing the cache. Now the application will be opened. Once the application has properly opened, what it will do, it will try to go to the respective register button and it will try to click on it. Okay. Yeah, it's failing. Let us give some weight. Okay. Let us give some weight here so that it may fail. See, failure is very common. How to fix it? That is very much important. Okay. See here, we have opened the browser and make sure that you have opened the browser. And after that, you have used how to all these CPs and all. Everything looks good. Okay. Now what I will do, I will right click and I will run it again. Okay. What it's gonna do, whatever the things you are asking it to do, it will close all the browser. It will clear the cache. And now the application will be opened like this. So once the application is opened, what it should do, it should go ahead and click on the register button and it should fill whatever the values you have provided. It will fill the value. It will click on the logout button and it will close the browser. See, the test case got passed here. In this way, you need to handle this scenario. So see you in the next scenario. Until then, thank you so much for listening this. See you in the next scenario. Bye-bye.